I successfully graduated, got a job as a civil engineer, and after 1 week, I quit. My father was so disappointed, he didn't talk to me for 3 months. After that, together with Tasha, at age of 22, we built our tiny house and started to seek the simplicity of life. I truly am in love with freedom, and gardening is the way of expressing creativity. I searched for knowledge, tried many variants to grow vegetables over the past 10 years, and found out that old school gardening teachers overcomplicated things. With a bit more engineering approach, we generalized some processes, listened to Mother Nature, and we were very soon gifted with abundant success. And we needed these gardening practices to be used by like-minded young couples and nature lovers who seek a gardening way of life. To wake up in the morning, take a barefoot stroll through the garden, and effortlessly plan your today's meals. Our goal with Becoming Gardener is that you change your world and make an impact on your family, people around you, and our planet.